In this video, we'll simulate the lottery game. We'll have the system generate a 2-digit number and allow the user to guess the number. If the numbers match, the user wins $10,000 lottery prize. If the user guesses the two numbers but in reverse order, the prize is $3,000. And if the user guesses only one of the digits, one of the two digit numbers generated by the system, the user wins $1,000 basically. To start, we are going to set up the random number generator. So we'll have srand times 0, that's the seed. We'll have an integer lottery number, and let's let that be the random number between 0 and 100, excluding 100, so that would be a 2-digit number. And we are going to now allow the user to guess. So cout guess number generated by the system. Of course, this is a 2-digit integer number, so we assume the user knows about that. And here is a variable to store the user's guess, and we'll read it into guess. So we have, at this time, we have the two numbers. We have the system generated number in line 9 stored in lottery, and we have the user's guess, which is read in line 13 of the code. Now we have to basically extract the digits in this particular case. So let's say int computer digit 1 is equal to lottery, and we are going to divide it by 10. And also int computer digit 2, we'll do the mod basically, lottery mod 10. Alright, we need a semicolon here. We do the same for the guess. Integer guess digit 1 is equal to guess integer division by 10, and then int guess digit 2 is equal to guess mod 10. Now what is going on here, suppose the system generated a number such as 57, let's say, and the guess is a number such as 75, let's say. Well, let's make it 74, let's say. All right. Now the digits here, what happens here, CD1 computer digit 1 will be equal to 5, and computer digit 2 will be equal to 7 here. And in this particular case, the guess digit 1 will be 7, and the guess digit 2 will come out to be 4. So we have all the pieces that we need for this particular program. Now we go through the conditional statements. Now if the number that's generated by the lottery, by the system basically, if that is equal to the guess entered by the user, then you have a winner in there. Cout basically you win $10,000. There's the $10,000, the winner. End line. Else if we need to combine certain logical operations here. Now remember, if the lottery number and the guess, they are the same, that means that digit 1 of the computer generated number is equal to digit 1 of the user's guess. Digit 2 of computer generated number is also equal to digit 2 of the guess. Now, in the other situation is that the user actually guessed the number but in reverse order, meaning that if the computer digit 1 is equal to guess digit 2 and computer digit 2 is equal to guess digit 1. These are the conditions. It's best to have them inside parentheses, although it will work fine without them. Let me put the parentheses around. There you go. There. So we need to have digit 1 of the computer equal to digit 2 of guess, and digit 2 of computer equal to digit 1 of the guess. That means that the user actually corrected the numbers correctly, but in wrong order. So you will say you win $3,000. End line. And finally, we have this other case, else if, now this is a long condition, if the user just guesses one of the digits, right? If the computer digit 1 is equal to the guess digit 1, that's an equal symbol. Let me place this inside parentheses as well. Or computer digit 1 is equal to guess digit 2, either one, right? All combinations are written here. Or we have computer digit 2 is equal to guess digit 1. I keep placing one equal sign, but that's again, that's the relational operator uses two equal signs. Or computer digit 2 is equal to guess digit 1. In either one of these cases, one digit is correctly guessed, and then we can have C out, you win, I believe it's $1,000. End line. And then the else clause is the last clause. The else clause is that C out a no match, right? So we'll have that one. End line. System pause and return 0. So there is the lottery game. We're going to run this. I'm going to have this as active project here. We'll run it. Okay. So the system has already guessed, and we'll place something like, let's say, 34. No match. I can try one more time. Let's try it again. And let's say we have 52. No match again. So you keep trying this game, write it, test it, and hopefully you'll win something.